and happy Guru Parv to all of you. The role of principal is to plan the betterment and progress of the school and ensure that it is executed. Our principal ma'am, Mrs. R.K. Bis, doesn't lack in it. The extraordinary growth of the school is the proof of it. Full of zeal, zest and vigor. She is the heart and soul of our BLM family and always has been the pillar of strength, support and love. So I, Shifali Kanpal of class 11 Commerce, invite our dear Principal Ma'am on the stage to chronicle the triumphant saga of BLM. So please ma'am.
Good evening to all. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Tejaswini Arvind Patil, IFS, Conservator, South Kumayu Region, all the distinguished guests, directors, managers, principals and teachers of different schools, and dear parents. I, on behalf of the whole BLM family, Honorable Chairperson, Mrs. Adesh Agrawal, Manager Sir, Mr. Saket Agrawal, Executive Member Soumya Ma'am, though she is not present today, and all the teachers, welcome you all on the occasion of 7th annual function of our school. I am really grateful to you all that you all have spared your valuable time for this function, with a special mention to our young Chief Guest, IFS, Dr. Tejaswini, for sparing her valuable time for this program. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Your presence is definitely a source of inspiration for all of us, the teachers and the parents and the students alike. Thank you so much, ma'am. Annual function is an important day for all of us, the parents, the teachers, the students. The concept of annual function is not new. It was very old, but at that time, it was annual day. And it used to be in the end of the session when the report of the whole session of the progress was kept before the parents as well as the students, and the students used to receive the prizes for their achievements of the whole year. With time, it changed, and the annual day has become annual function, which has now lights, decoration, sound, music, and the annual report has been relegated to the back seat. And the cultural program, the dance and drama and music has superseded it all. So following the suit, I too did the same thing. The report of the school, what we did in last session, in this session, has been handed over to you in your hands. And to save time for the cultural program, as well as to say something to parents, because this is the only one time when all the parents are in front of us. Otherwise, if we invite the parents for even orientation program, the attendance is not so satisfactory as it is today. I can see all the seats occupied from here. Thank you so much. The progress of the school, if I say, the strength of the school, in last 6 years only, this is our 7th session, and in 6 years only, the strength that we have achieved of 1,337 students in itself is the proof that a school is doing very well. And it all could be possible only because of the vision of the founder of the school, Mr. Ved Prakash Gupta ji, who dared to open the school at such a place. It used to be a jungle at that time when this school was opened 6 years back. And now we can see that Mangal in jungle. And it could be possible only because of a dream of a person who had a noble aim, a noble mission to do something for the cause of education, and perhaps he succeeded. We are really fortunate that his dream is being carried forward by his son, Mr. Saket Agrawal, who is the manager of the school. And that's why the growth is so speedy. There is no banner, big banner, that we have a big name. And even the place is 3 kilometers away from the main road. Still, we have got such response. I cannot say very happy, or I cannot say very sad, that we rejected more than 300 admissions this year because we keep only 35 students in one section. And all those sections were full right from class 1st to class 10th. And we could not adjust any new student. The parents were trying to approach the politicians, the leaders, or the influential persons of the society, but we were helpless. We could not help them. एक पेरेंट थे आर्मी के, they started crying कि मैम हम अपनी छुट्टी पे छुट्टी बढ़ाए जा रहे हैं. उनके बच्चों का एडमिशन क्लास 4th में होना था, लेकिन हमने कहा हम हेल्पलेस हैं क्योंकि हम केवल 35 सीट्स एक सेक्शन में रखते हैं, which cannot be increased to even 36. So they were disappointed, they could not get admission. एक बच्चे का उन्होंने UKG में एडमिशन करवा दिया, लेकिन दूसरे बच्चे का एडमिशन नहीं हो पाया. And I'm really proud to declare that next year, in our 8th session of the existence only, we don't have any seat vacant in class 2nd to 10th. There will be no lateral admission in classes 6th to 10th. Only a few admissions after leaving some seats for the BPL students. Some seats will be left, and otherwise we don't have any seats in class 1st to 10th. So this could be possible only because of the support of the management and cooperation of the parents. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This day, annual function, the students are getting ready for the next program, and I have to give them some time because mics are to be adjusted. It has 3 hours. I was just thinking yesterday, it's a rejoicing for the students, recreation for the parents and the guests, but responsibility for the teachers. I doubt whether you can imagine or not, जो टीचर्स पर्दे के पीछे काम कर रहे हैं, जिन्हें एक भी प्रोग्राम देखने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, वो कितने डिवोशन और डेडिकेशन से इस प्रोग्राम को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए लगे हुए हैं. And it can be done only by the teachers. No other community in world is so dedicated and devoted for the cause of their students, for the pleasure, for the progress of their students. It's the only one community that is teacher. Time will change. हम लोग कहते रहेंगे कि समय बदल गया है, टीचर्स बदल गए हैं, लेकिन आज भी टीचर के मन में अपने बच्चे के लिए वही प्यार है, अपने स्कूल के लिए वही डिवोशन है जो आज से 100 साल पहले था. मेरा तो यही अनुभव है. ये सारी डेकोरेशन जो आप देखेंगे, ये सब हमारे ड्राइंग टीचर्स ने की है, रात भर बैठ करके की है, और हमारे म्यूजिक टीचर्स ने सारे प्रोग्राम्स, म्यूजिक टीचर्स, डांस टीचर्स ने रात भर काम करके ये प्रोग्राम को आप लोगों के लिए तैयार किया है. सो रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल द टीचर्स. But the time hasn't yet come that we have to be satisfied. Miles to go before we can say that BLM Academy is the best school. Because I can say कि एक स्कूल वही बेस्ट स्कूल हो सकता है जो guaranteed education दे सके. कि once the child is admitted in the school, कि बच्चे का अगर स्कूल में एडमिशन हो गया तो पेरेंट्स निश्चिंत हो जाएं कि बस हमने अपना बच्चा BLM में दे दिया, अब हमें चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जिस दिन वो दिन आएगा उस दिन मुझे लगेगा कि मैं जो ये प्रयास कर रही हूं, जो अपने सपने को पूरा करने की कोशिश कर रही हूं, वो सपना मेरा पूरा हुआ। अभी वो सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ है। हम पेरेंट्स की पहली चॉइस है, आई एम प्राउड टू डिक्लेयर, लेकिन स्टिल अ लॉट नीड्स टू बी डन। बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं। एक स्कूल को चलाना आज इतना आसान नहीं है। आई डोंट नो whether you can feel the responsibilities on the principal or the teachers or the management of a school.